All right, so this is going to be a cold start. Kevin's going to test ride the yellow bike. And
all right,
let's see
starting with no choke.
No choke, tickle, good tickle, gas on.
Yeah, no tickle. It's Makuni or Amel or whatever.
Oh, that's the name? Oh, Makuni.
Yeah,
Pull the clutch in and make sure. I did it yesterday.
Yep.
It's a good free clutch.
Good.
All right, so let's see how many strokes it takes. Gonna do a choke?
We're going to choke, yeah.
Going to choke. Choke on or off?
Huh?
Choke on or off?
Off.
Off? Okay. Let this little guy warm up a little bit. Started out in the second gear. Norton strikes again. All right. Made it to the end of the block. Always a good sign. And here he comes. I can hear him. There's no way I would ride through between these two cars at that speed.
I hate those things.
It's the best. It's the second best side stand in the world.
Yeah.
Next to Harley Davidson. So now we will do an after action report.
Ready?
It's going, yep.
All right. This is everything good about a Norton you've ever heard.
Is that right?
Shifts smoothly, up or down, except when I
Started that in second gear.
Yeah, except when I forget it's a Norton. Yeah. Came around one corner and wanted to upshift, went dummy. Anyway, so shifts smoothly, accelerates beautifully, brakes are excellent, which isn't always true for these things. These are really good. They work well.
Good.
This bike is ready to go. This is one of those. If I was going to buy a Norton, I'd want this one.
Oh, you darn.
Because I like the yellow personally, and it's just, she's great.
Okay.
Tell them to come and get it.
I will send the owner a notice. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, well, Kevin just finished the test ride on this yellow bike. We're declaring it complete, and I'm going to tell the client he may have it. This bike is being picked up at 10 o'clock this morning, and this bike is done, and I think the client is out of town, so he'll be here for a while. So I got 3 complete bikes ready to go here. My 2 are still sitting here quietly, getting dusty. And on this guy, I just finished installing that aftermarket horn. It fits in here very nicely. And I've touched up the frame, so it looks a tad bit better all the way back. And this side also. Coming together. It's 9 o'clock now. I feel a cup of coffee calling my name, so I think I'm going to go have a breakfast sandwich and a cup of coffee.